In this video, we are going to learn about theming. And by theming, I refer to themes that need to be applied as part of a UI library. For our course, I'm going to use Chakra UI. It's a pretty good library with lots of components if you want to get up and running in short time. Let's get started by installing it. If you take a look at the installation step, the first step is to install a couple of packages. I'm going to copy only the package names, and back in our terminal, I'm going to run the command yarn add followed by the package names. Once the installation is complete, we can use the components that the library offers. For our example, let's create stories for the button component from Chakra UI. So in the components folder, I'm going to create a new folder called Chakra Button. Since we have the component and the CSS provided by the library, we don't have to create them ourselves. We just have to create the stories file. So new file, and this is going to be chakrabutton.stories.js. In this file, let's first import React and the button component from Chakra UI. Next, we add in the default export. Title is going to be chakra/button. The component is going to be button. Now we can write the stories. Before we write the stories, let's quickly take a look at their documentation to understand how to use the button component. So if you navigate to the button component in the docs, you can see that we first have to import it. Then, to create a green colored button, we simply specify a variant color and some inner text. Let's go back and add a green as well as a red colored button. So export const success is going to be equal to a component which renders button. The text is going to be success. The variant color is going to be green. Similarly, the second button is going to be danger and variant color is going to be red. If you now save the file and restart Storybook and take a look at the Chakra buttons, you can see that we have a problem. Well, the problem is an easy one to solve. For Chakra UI to work, we need to provide a theme. If I go back to the Getting Started section of the docs, you can see that there is a mention of a theme provider component, and a CSS reset component. So at the top level, we need a theme provider wrapper component passing in the theme and the CSS reset component as one of its children, and then of course render whatever else is passed in as the children props. Now how do we achieve this? Well, if you have gone through the previous video on decorators, this shouldn't seem like a problem. A decorator is, after all, a wrapper component for your stories. And at the moment, we do have one decorator in preview.js. Let's go ahead and modify this. First, we are going to import a couple of things from Chakra UI. Theme provider, theme, and the CSS reset component. Next, for each story, we're going to wrap it with the theme provider component with the theme prop equal to the imported theme. As children, we also specify the CSS reset component. If we now save the file and take a look at our storybook, the component works as expected. We are able to apply a theme to our Storybook app. Now, because of CSS reset, the components are sticking to the top left corner. We can fix this by importing box component from Chakra, wrapping the story with that component, and adding a small margin. Go back to the browser, and the component no longer sticks to the top left corner. Now you don't have to worry about CSS reset or the box component from Chakra UI. What I wanted to show is how you would apply your theme irrespective of the library you choose to use. It could be Material UI, a custom theme, or any library. The concept remains the same. Import them in preview.js and wrap your story with that theme using the add decorator function from Storybook. Alright, that is all I have on theming. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.